What is up? Day 2 of Palawan. We are currently on the boat waiting. Yes, what is it you want to say? Yes. And we're just waiting for parents to buy some food from the market. Wow, friends around the world, like how many people? And we're currently on the boat with the same people, more or less. So what is up? So we're gonna go on a huge island hopping spree today, and then I don't know what else we're gonna do. Bye everybody. We're on the way out to the first island, and apparently it's gonna take us an hour to get there. So I don't know what we're gonna do. But yesterday we saw flying fish. Hopefully we can find some fish while we're on the boat. I just realized it's really loud. You guys probably can't hear me. But hopefully you do. We're going out again. Look at that, guys. We go all the way out there. It's gonna take us an hour to get to the island. So I'll probably see you guys there. Maybe see some fishes. See you guys later. Okay guys, we finally made it. Looky. Wow, yellowfish. You saw fish for real. We're gonna go find some fish later.
I actually saw yellowfish.
Wow. We're gonna go find some fish later, guys. Look at this. You can see into the water. Finally here after like an hour and some ship troubles. We're all G. We rode the wave, rode the momentum. Look at this. We are here, baby. Let's go. Okay, guys. Guess what just happened? I was looking for fishes, and then I thought the jellyfish was over there because that's where we saw it last. But there was another one, and it swam right by my face. I got so freaked, guys. Legit, the jellyfish swam right by my face. Holy moly, guys! It was a pretty beautiful beach, though. Look. Guys, walking on the water. Look at that guy go. It's super shallow, he's just walking. Look at that, dudes. Let's walk on some water, guys. And look at that, we're gonna go into the water. Look at that, guys.
You catch me.
Okay, I'll catch you. Okay, give it a second. Ah! Where's guys? We're in the middle. I'm walking over there right now. Let's walk. I'm scared. I'm going back. I'm scared. Don't go. It's all the way out there. Guys, I don't want to go by myself. Man, what are you doing? Come here! I don't want to do this by myself! Guys, help! Help! I'm stuck! I'm frozen in fear! Guys! I'm seriously frozen, jokes. We're going again! Go! Oh, there's still more. I don't know how far this goes, guys. Okay, is that it? I don't know how far this goes. You know what? I think that's it. Is that it? Okay, let's go back. No! Yeah! Let's go. Okay, we're gonna go now. We've been here for a while. It's low tide now, which means we could have gone a little bit further, but it's okay. You know? We're gonna go now. Look at this, guys. A little bit of a view. Right now we're gonna go back onto the boat. Wow. That's good. Look how far we have to go, guys. I don't even know where we came from. I think we came from over there or there. Over there it's raining. So that could be where we're from. I'm not sure, but we're super far out and I can't make any navigational decisions. Look Look at that, guys. You can clearly see where it's raining. Or I think it's where it's raining. Look at that. You guys see the sky touching the ground over there? Over there. Over there. Pretty sure that's where it's raining. Hopefully we go through there because that'd be pretty cool. Dang, man, that's so cool. For the content. You know what? Never mind. Okay. So I tried standing up. I couldn't do it. I'm gonna hit my wave. I was supposed to stand it just for the content, but I couldn't do it. Yikes. There we go. You know, guys, even with the waves and the wind and stuff, look at that view. It's so nice out there. Look at that. That's just so nice. Okay, to give reference, guys, we're currently pretty far out. That's where we were, up there yesterday. Probably gonna go back up there again to take a picture. You'll see on Insta or something sometime during our stay here within the next 2 or 3 days. That's where we went, right up there. Look at this. All 724 steps plus a few more to get to a few different vantage points up there. That's where we were. That's the town at the bottom, all the way up there. We are back on ground right now, and currently back on the way to the hotel. I couldn't really record it, but we had to cross like 3 boats just to get back to land. It's pretty cool. If I had like a chest harness or like a helmet, like a head harness or something, we could have recorded it with a GoPro, but sadly it was way too hard because I needed both hands to get across the boats. I couldn't stand up either when we were in the waves and do the spinny thing, so that was kind of sad, but hopefully we can do it one day. Maybe in another place. But you guys really have to try crossing a bunch of boats to get back to land. It was pretty cool. And I nearly fell over. Most of them don't really wear slippers from what I saw, and I get it, I think. Because with my slippers, it was way more slippery than without. So today I learned. This is where we're at right now. Hawaiian Grill Station, Coron, Palawan. What is up? We are currently ordering some food. Everyone's being super noisy because I'm like, why not? Everyone's still ordering, so I thought this might be one of the best times to do it. Are you sleeping? Look, she got sunburnt in the face. We're gonna eat some dinner right now. I have no clue what we ordered. I completely forgot already. It's been like 30 seconds. What are we eating? But we're currently eating dinner. See? I got no dinner. I'm eating anyway.
No.
You wanna say yo? Yo. Annyeong. Ohayo. Ohayo.